What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo! Happy New Year's, everybody! Hope your holidays were amazing. Hope you got some cool gifts. But today is the 1st of January, the new year, and I'll be working on the old Lancer. Gotta fix the front end. All the bushings, lower control arms, outer tie rods, everything's all busted up. It has almost like 273,000 miles on it, and yeah, it's getting worse. So I think it's time to show a little TLC to the old Betty White. Ooh, she's looking good. But yeah, I'll show you the kit that I got. And before that, I need to layer her up because it's super cold in here. I forgot how cold it gets. But yep, let's get to work and Chiefs, baby. Woohoo! Alright, so now the car's in the air, and I'm nice and bundled up. I'll show you what I got. I've got this whole pretty much a front end kit to fix everything. Lower control arms, I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry, but yeah, lower control arms, everything, bushings, all in there, brand new. Sway bar linkages, look at that, that's beautiful. Everything's good on that. Even got new boots, that's cool. Outer tie rods, fresh tie rods, man. Yeah, these are all blown up too. These are blown. And some inner tie rods, which I don't think I'll be replacing these. I'm pretty sure the ones in there already are pretty good to go. So yeah, I think we're okay on that one. But I think the whole kit pretty much was $126, you know, from Amazon, which isn't bad. I don't know the brand really that much. What is it? Detroit Axle. Yeah, it's Detroit Axle. So, but I'll put the link in the description if you guys need it too, working on your Lancers. I don't know how many people have Lancers, they're still working on them, but yeah, it's gonna feel a lot better. I can't wait. It's pretty cool because for Christmas, my parents gave me a $100 gift card for Amazon, and I just looked up parts and that popped up, and all I had to do was pay like $26. So I pretty much got a whole front end kit from my car for 26 bucks. That's pretty cool, you can't beat that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get to work. Should be pretty easy process. I've done it before on the 240, multiple 240s, the whole front end and all that stuff, so it should be pretty easy. Who knows? Let's see. But yeah, man, let's get to work, take the tires off, and I'll show you what I'm dealing with. Woo! Alright, so this is why I'm replacing everything. I don't know if you can see, that's all torn up. These are all beat up. Look how the grease, it's all nasty. Those are all beat up. Yeah. Yep. This is all nasty right here. It's all cracked, messed up. Same with the other side. Yeah. Same with the other side. All busted. Look at it. All busted up. Yeah, so that is what it is. Degreased everything. Gonna wipe it all down and everything, and I'm trying to show as much as I can, but I'm on my iPhone, and I don't really have a stand for it or nothing, so I'm doing what I can. I miss my cameras. Hopefully I get a new camera soon. Hopefully I can fix those other cameras soon. I don't know yet, but thanks for tuning in still, hanging in there with me. Let's see. I'm gonna wipe everything down, and then once I clean everything, then I'll start taking things off, and you'll see the process. Oh, I got donut. I got Krispy Kreme donuts, man, that was so good. All right, yeah. All right, let's do this. Woohoo! It's all degreased, kinda, a lot better. You can finally see the bolts. See, you can see the bolts. So this one right here is a 19. That's there. This one is a 17. And then I have 17 on this side. And then up here for the tap, for the sway bar linkage, Chingadero, 14. 14 right there, 14 up right there. Everything's ready. It's all degreased as much as I could. Even on this side, did as much as I could. At least I can see the bolts and everything. I don't know. Well, I don't really have a mount for my phone, so it's like I'm kind of limited on my resources right now. But you get the gist of it. I'm gonna take it off. I'll pull it off. Can't really show it. I don't really have anywhere to really mount my phone anywhere, so kind of sucks. But yeah, just trust me. I'm about to take it all off. Take off the lower control, the LCA. I don't know. I'll show you everything right now when I take it off. I'll take it off and I'll show you what I did. Okay? Deal with it. This is all I have right now. I'm just doing what I can. Woohoo! All right. Well, I'll try to show you right now. One hand. Here we go. That's the start of the process. Oh, can't do it. Let's see. There we go. Double off. And I'll just continue on. Sorry, I'm not gonna be able to show the process. I don't know. I might be able to mount it somewhere. I don't really have nowhere to mount it. I gotta build something, but I just want to get this done. All right, update. Got it. It's all. You can see on camera, yeah, got this bolt off right there, and all the bolts underneath the sway bar. I can't even see this phone. I need my camera back. Yeah, I got this off. This one back here was actually a 19. This is a 19 back here, so yeah, remember that. But everything's off as I know, so I'm going to, I guess, just hammer it off. I don't know, man. It's still on there. It's pretty stuck on there right now. So let's see if I could yank it off somehow. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I got parts falling off. I think I need this for sure. This needs to stay. This is the sway bar piece. Let's get this bolt over here. Not the bolt, the bushing. Look how crappy the bushing is. Yep, that's how my bushings were. That's why my car is a piece of junk. What can you expect? Oh man. All right, let's see if I can pull this off. Let's see. Woohoo! Got it. See, got to see that. Look how bad they were. They're pretty bad. All the bushings in here are cracked. Especially that right there. That's all bad. All bad. Everything's all bad. That's all bad. Nasty, but at least I got the freshies over here. Pull those out right now. And then we'll install them, and the car's gonna feel a lot better. And then I still have to take off the outer chingadera right here. It's all messed up right there. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, we'll take that off here in a minute once I install the lower controller, and we'll be good. All right, another update. I did it. Looks pretty good, I think. Let's see what you guys think. There it is. Nice and on. Look at it. These look great. That's awesome. So much better. The only thing I need to do next is pull off the outer tie rod right here. Gotta pull that off. That's nasty. Yep, I'll pull that off right now. So then we'll be good. This is all good. It's all nice and bolted on, man. This looks fresh. It's gonna be feeling a lot better. Look at it. So like, before. Well, this is after, and here's before. Let me come over here. Here's before. Yeah, so look at before, right there, disgusting, and after. Woo! Looking fresh. That's cool. I love it. Yeah, I'll take off this right now, and then bolt that down, and then I'll move to the other side. I know I didn't really film it. It was actually kind of annoying, but I got it. I figured it out. So I think for the next, for the passenger side, I'll just I'll figure out something. I don't know. I'll put a stand up or something. I'll just time lapse it to do the passenger side so you can see the process in a way. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of hard with just the iPhone. So yeah, I don't know. Doing what I can. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. And if you haven't yet, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't. So yeah, if you enjoy these episodes, enjoy POHBOYS. And for some reason, my coilover on this side keeps getting loose. I don't know, it's because of the brand, Rev 9. I have no idea. But yeah, it just keeps coming loose. I'll tighten it again like always. And just move forward, man. Almost done. Almost done. Once I get done, I get some dinner. Because right now I don't have a car to drive. The Cruceta doesn't have tires, so I can't drive the Cruceta to get some food. So I'm really depending on old Betty White right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go. Let's continue. I'll figure my little stand out and time lapse it. Okay, woohoo! Practically done. Passenger side's done, driver side's done. All I gotta do is try to like eyeball an alignment, and that's really about it. My tires suck anyways, man. Check this out. Look at tire tread, and then flat spot, and then turn it around. There's another flat spot right here. Another flat spot. I don't think you can tell on the camera, but yeah, flat spot. Look at that, that's nasty. Yeah, so like, I'll do the eyeball alignment, throw the tires back on, go for a drive, get some food because I'm hungry, and I'll let you know how it is. I'm pretty sure it's, oh man, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a lot better than it is now because all the bushings and everything were shot, sucked, but yeah, simple but annoying. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, let's put the tires on, throw it on the ground, eyeball alignment, go get some food. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get yet. I'm hungry though. Yeah. All right. Woohoo. All right, well, it's the next day. Last night was a success. The car feels a lot better, way better. Just needs those new tires, you know, I'll tell you that one. The eyeball alignment, shipwreck helped me out, and it worked okay, not too bad. It got me where we needed to go. And yeah, hopefully the next episode, I'll work on the 240. I got some plans for it, just a little bolt check and like just get it ready to do more stuff to it. But yeah, it was a successful time with the Lancer. Amazing. Just needed tires, professional alignment, and new windshield. Yeah, need a new windshield and a tune-up. But anyways, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this episode, and hopefully you'll tune in for the next episodes coming up. Until then, I'll definitely catch you guys next time.